This is going to be for all signs. Okay, so let's start. This is going to be something new. I'm just starting. So let's start with Aries. So what can Aries possibly expect? So what are Aries possibly going through? Aries. Okay. We have the Empress in the reverse. So there is lack of growth when it comes to your connection. Okay. With King of Swords, you guys could have had some bits of harsh communication in the past, but you cannot let go of each other. Okay. Their energy towards you moving forward. Aries soulmate energy towards Aries moving forward. With the Fool card, I still feel like this person, even though they haven't come forward a very genuinely, this person is still wanting to make a move towards you. Okay, with Ace of Wands, they still have a new beginning in mind. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, in terms of their feelings, we have Knight of Pentacles. So this person has been very slow. Okay, and that's the reason why many of you guys are wanting to give up now. Okay, with Hermit card, in the past this person would have ghosted you, but right now, in terms of their intentions, in terms of the intention, this person wants to communicate, this person wants to talk, but how are they going to come forward? How are they going to come forward? With King of Wands, I still feel like it's in the reverse, but I still feel this person is going to try to flirt with you, but emotionally, I still see this person being at a distance. Okay, not wanting to open up emotionally, but rather is going to want to possibly start flirting with you, if that makes sense to you. So where it's moving forward for Aries for the next couple of days. For some of you, you guys are very focused on your finances, so you are not letting this affect you much. Okay, but still I see this person wanting to offer you something solid in the coming days, not so soon, in the coming days, and there is a possibility that this could move forward towards commitment. Okay, so this is for the sign of Aries moving forward. So let's see the next sign. Next sign is Taurus. So what are Taurus going through? One card for the combined energy, what like Taurus are going through in terms of soulmate connection. With Five of Pentacles, your person has left you out in the cold. You feel like this connection is not going to go forward. You're very negative about it. With Five of Wands, there's been too much conflict and drama in this connection. So how are they possibly coming forward towards you now? With Wheel of Fortune, this person is still making plans of making a move towards you, but might have not really come forward. With Two of Pentacles, this person is very indecisive. They haven't made their mind. Okay, they could be wasting a lot of time, before making a move towards you. In terms of their energy towards you, in terms of their energy towards you, in terms of their energy, I still feel with Ace of Wands, this person does want to start fresh with you. But with Knight of Wands, they are not very sure about commitment. Okay, commitment is still a question mark. One card for their feelings towards you. In terms of their feelings, we have the Lovers. So this person is sexually very much into you. Okay, with Page of Wands, communication is also very much coming in the next, I would say couple of days. So where this is possibly moving forward for now, where this is possibly moving forward for now. Taurus, where is this possibly moving forward for now? With Three of Wands, I still feel like many of you guys are waiting on this person, but you are not trusting them. Okay, you are not very much trusting them in terms of your personal intentions towards you. In terms of intentions, this person is very guilty for all that they made you go through, and they're extremely sorry for all that they have put you through. Okay, so I definitely feel like even if communication is not coming now, they are definitely going to make a move towards you. However, do not expect much for the next 24 hours. This person may make a move in the coming days, but as of now, I feel your person is feeling guilty and they do not know how to approach you. Okay, so this is for the sign of Taurus. So let's see. Let's take let's say Gemini. So what are Gemini going through? What are Gemini possibly going through? Let's take for Gemini. The sign of Gemini. So what's the overall energy like between the two of you? Gemini for the next. Okay, couple of days. With Page of Cups, for some of you, your person could have approached you. They might be communicating, or they will be communicating very soon. Yeah, communication is definitely coming in. Some of you might possibly be getting an apology which was due a long time ago. One card for the energy towards you now. One card for the energy towards you. With Four of Wands, this is more stable. This person is wanting a relationship with you, something solid with you, okay? I feel like you guys are on good terms. If you guys are not on good terms, they are definitely going to make a move soon, okay? One card for their feelings towards you. One card for their true feelings towards you, Gemini. With Knight of Pentacles, I would say that this person, in terms of feelings, wants to make slow and steady progress towards you. They are wanting to invest wisely but long term. Okay. In terms of how are they thinking about you now? How are they possibly thinking about you now? Gemini, how are they possibly thinking about you now? With Five of Cups, if this person isn't around you, they are very much missing you, okay? And if this person is in front of you, like you guys in communication, then they are possibly sorry for all that they made you go through. They feel like you did not deserve it, okay? No one deserves it, but yeah. But in terms of their intentions now towards you, in terms of their intentions, Gemini soulmates intentions towards Gemini. In terms of their intention, we have the Devil card. And we have the Queen of Pentacles. So this person, I would say, in the past, if this person was away from you, they were very obsessed and addicted towards you. So right now, they want to have a healthy connection. Okay, they do not want to possibly, like let the past cycle repeat itself. Okay, I believe in the past it was not sexual, but right now they want to nurture the connection. They want to build it on in the healthiest way possible. So they are like going to do it wisely in the best way possible, and not on starting on a sexual like an encounter or a sexual connection. Friends with benefits like a connection. They want to build a long term. Okay, if there is a third party, for some of you, they want to let go of the third party now. Okay, and they want to choose you if that's your case. Not for all. So what can you possibly expect from this person? What can you possibly expect from this person? I believe for many of you, if this person was making you go through a lot in terms of games, drama, they want to let go of that now, okay? But still, this person has a lot of pride, okay? The reason why they could not come in front of you was because they could not possibly, drop their pride and make a move towards you, okay? This person very much wants to balance the connection with you, okay? So where it's moving forward for Geminis for the next couple of days. For Geminis, I believe it's the best season for you, the best year starting for you, that you guys are going to move towards commitment. If this is something you want, then this is definitely moving towards commitment. If there was a third party, I see that going away. Okay, so yes, for many of you, your relationship is moving towards something more stable. Okay, so this was for the sign of Gemini. Moving forward now. Let's take Cancer. For the sign of Cancer, what can Cancer possibly expect for the next couple of days? For the sign of Cancer, so one card for what's the overall energy like for the sign of Cancer. For the sign of Cancer, I believe you both want to come together. Okay, this is your wish fulfillment to possibly reunite with this person. If you guys are already together, you guys are like wanting to possibly held it together or hold it together and just see to it that this doesn't go away. Okay, you are very much happy with the person and you want to grow on this. Okay, you definitely want to possibly, if this is a friendship, you want to make this more than that. Okay, you're definitely very happy with this person, I believe. Okay, give me one more card for what are Cancers going through in terms of Cancer's energy. Let me check Cancer's energy before. Okay. With Eight of Cups, some of you could have walked away from this person, but the person returned out of nowhere. So what does the person want with you in terms of Cancer soulmate's energy towards Cancer? With Justice card, this person wants to make things right with you now. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, In terms of their feelings towards you, in the past, this person was not putting in any effort. They could have also given much more priority to their work than their love life, and that kind of got in the way. Okay, I also feel like this person is wanting to possibly come forward now, okay, and possibly try to fix this with you. But I believe some of you could have given up on this person in the past. Okay, some of you have options between a past person and a new person. One card for what are they wanting to do in terms of intentions towards this connection. With the Sun card, they definitely want to move forward. Okay, they definitely want to move forward. If something was holding you back, there were blockages in this connection. They want to drop them now. They want to choose you. Okay, with 10 of cups, this person is definitely looking at you as their wish fulfillment. I am going to correct myself into telling you that you both wanted this. I believe you do not trust them much. Okay, it's them who are wanting to reunite. It's them who is wanting this connection to move forward. You wanted this at one time, but right now you are not very sure whether you should trust this person or not, because in the past you could have given up on this person. You walked away because of their games that they were playing with you. Okay, so where is this connection possibly moving forward for now? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Cancer? I believe that there is going to be some sort of delay because you are not trusting them. You do not know if you should trust them or not. Okay, one card for what are they wanting to offer as of now? What are they wanting to offer as of now? I believe this person had multiple options and they chose something else. Okay, and that kind of got in the way for some of you. Okay, but I believe if you want this connection can be worked at. Okay, this is not dead. If you want this, you can still work on it and it has the possibility of moving forward. But if you are not wanting this, you could drop it. Okay, there is a very strong possibility that you guys will meet someone new. Okay, so moving forward, Leo now. The sign of Leo, all that Leo needs to know about their connection moving forward. So what's the combined energy like, overall energy for the sign of Leo? We have 7 of cups, so there's a lot of confusion. Like when it comes to like this relationship, I believe there's a lot of confusion. In the past, this person was playing mind games with you, so you do not know if you should trust it. Some of you have multiple options. Okay, so some of you might be possibly confused with that. If it's not that, then I believe you do not know whether you should trust this connection or not. In terms of the energy towards you, we have the World card. For some of you, this might be a long distance relationship. In terms of their energy towards you moving forward, sign of Leo. With 10 of Pentacles, this person looks at you as someone they would want to commit to. Okay, with Ace of Swords, they'll also want to tell you about it. So communication is definitely coming in for some of you. Okay. With 5 of Wands, I believe this connection, there was a strong third party interference. There was a lot of drama in the past and you do not know whether you should possibly even like give this time or possibly drop this for good. Okay, one card for their feelings towards you. One card for their feelings towards you. We have 8 of Wands. So this person is very passionate about you. Okay, they still haven't given up on you completely. They still feel stuck to you. They cannot let go of you. If you moved on from them, they haven't moved on from you. So what are they wanting with you now? What are they possibly wanting with you? With King of Wands, I believe this person is wanting to take action towards this connection, fix this connection. Okay, they want transformation with you, definitely. Okay, if you have walked away from them, they possibly want you to rethink. With with 9 of Pentacles, I believe you guys have walked away and you feel it's best to stay single from this person. I mean, whatever works best for you, but your person is definitely going to make a move back in your life. It's going to bring in some drama, no doubt, but if you are open to the connection, you can. But if you are not, I believe you're emotionally independent now. You're no longer stuck to them like you used to. Okay, so yeah, moving forward. Virgo, what can Virgos possibly expect now? The sign of Virgo. I believe for some of you, if this person put you into a third party, then it's best for you to move on. Okay, I'll be very honest about that. For the sign of Virgo, what can you possibly expect moving forward? One card for the overall energy between Virgo and your soulmate. Okay. With 8 of Pentacles, I believe no one has been putting an effort into this connection. Even if you guys both wanted this, no one has like willingly been putting an effort. Okay, and it's stagnant basically. One card for the energy towards you. One card for the energy towards you. With King of Cups, this person still has feelings for you. Okay, they might have not expressed it much, but yeah, they also feel heartbroken without you. Okay, if you guys are in separation, thanks to you guys not putting an effort, then I believe they are very much feeling it now. Okay, in terms of their intentions towards you. In terms of intentions with King of Swords, this person wants to communicate. Okay, it might not be the communication you're waiting on. They are still wanting to look at it very practically and speak practically. So not at all emotional, like when it comes to their communication, not something you may be looking forward to. With High Priestess, this person is not very open when it comes to their emotions. Okay, so some of you might be dealing with the Pisces, some of you could be dealing with the air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, strong air and Pisces sign here. In terms of their feelings, however, one card for their feelings towards you. Okay, we have this. We have 4 of Swords in the reverse. So if this person took a break from you, then this person is very much wanting to return back in your life. With Sun card, this person wants to give you attention now. How do they feel about you in terms of a connection? How do they feel about you? With Wheel of Fortune, they feel like this connection was meant to be. And if it's broken, if it's you guys are in separation, they are very much upset about it. They want this to move forward. Okay, in the past they were not putting an effort. Even now they are not putting an effort, but in the coming days I do see them wanting to communicate. Okay, do not expect a lot emotionally, but I do feel they will want to talk to you for sure. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their true intentions towards you now. In terms of intentions, I feel this person is not wanting to give up. They are surely wanting this to move forward with you. Okay, with Justice card, they want to bring in balance into this connection. So for now, where is this possibly moving forward for the sign of Virgo? I still feel for some of you, you guys are not very open to this. With Magician and Knight of Swords, I still feel there's a possibility that, you guys are not very much open to manifesting this connection back in your life. I mean, this connection has made you go through a lot of ups and downs, and right now you may be focused elsewhere. Okay, for Virgos, I believe you may be focused elsewhere. Right now, your main focus is being financially and emotionally independent. So if that's the best thing for you, then that's the best thing for you. Okay, you can't do much about it. If you feel being single is the best option currently, then you should stay single. Okay, focus on your finances for now. That was for Virgos. Now moving to Libra. Moving to Libra, what can Libras possibly expect for the next couple of days? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Libra special. Okay, so one card for the overall. What are Libras going through? What are Libras going through? With 8 of Wands, some of you might be wanting to move on. Okay, some of you might very much be wanting to move on. Okay, if it's not that, then I believe some of you communication is definitely coming in slow but steady. Surely this thing is moving forward. In terms of the overall energy towards you, in terms of overall energy like energy with Queen of Pentacles, I believe you both are very much focused on your own self, wanting to be financially independent, emotionally independent, wanting to focus on your long-term future. Okay, in terms of your partner, how are they coming forward towards you now? The energy towards you, Libra. In terms of them, I believe with Ace of Pentacles, but it's in the reverse. They'll definitely want to give you an offer, but there might be a delay. Okay, but with Six of Wands, they are definitely coming in with some sort of attention. They're definitely wanting your attention for sure. So communication is definitely coming in for you guys. At least they want to. Okay, so one card for their feelings towards you, one card for their feelings towards you, Libra soul. Yeah. With King of Swords again, I do not feel that this person is wanting to open up emotionally. With King of Swords, this person is wanting to talk, communicate, but not emotional communication. This is rather very practical, wanting to still be in contact and shit, but not wanting to open up emotionally. Okay. In terms of how are they thinking about you now, in terms of how are they thinking about you, with the Star card, this person is still wanting to keep that hope and faith alive that this connection can move forward. With Four of Wands, they do consider you marriage material, and for some of you, they put you through a lot. Okay, they definitely put you through a lot. Some of you even through third parties and shit. But with King of Cups, trust me when I say this, they still love you. Okay, they might not be saying it to you, or they might never say it to you, but this person is still in love with you, and they are still very much wanting this to continue, even if they come back to you. I believe they'll have to possibly swallow their pride to make a move. This person is very, very prideful. Okay, and they rather keep dead communication than emotional communication. You know what I'm trying to say, right? Practical shit. The communication we are not open to, right? So yeah, in terms of their intentions towards you now, in terms of their intentions towards you, darling, this person is still wanting to hold on to you, but at the same time wanting to stay in their comfortable place. Okay, they're not wanting to get out of their comfort zones. They want to make a move, but they do not want to over risk it. You know what I'm trying to say? If you are not going to be open to them, they do not want to over risk it and hurt themselves. Okay, if that makes sense to you. One card for what action I want to take towards you now. What action is this person really want to take towards Libra? Again, with the High Priestess and Knight of Wands, this person has been giving you cold treatment, like literally ghosting you. Okay, but that is all intentional. They were wanting a reaction from you, but right now I see them making a move. All this while, I believe they were giving you the silent treatment. Okay, yeah, there was an ending for some of you with the Death card. But I still see communication coming in regardless of where your connection is at. So one card for what can my dear Libras expect? With Emperor card, I still feel like you both are very stubborn about this connection and you guys are wanting this, but at the same time not wanting to open up about it. But I still feel in some which way your person is going to make a move, communicate, but not show you much, not say much, not tell you much about what they want and how they want it. So I do not feel you're going to stay open to that shit. Okay, so where is this possibly moving forward for Libras for the next couple of days? Where is this possibly moving forward? Okay. With King of Wands, Three of Pentacles, yes, you guys will communicate. Yes, there will be some sort of action being taken towards you. Okay, I believe you're also going to react to them. If they decide to communicate, you're going to reply or react. With Five of Swords, howsoever, you guys are not wanting to bend or compromise. If they want you to compromise, you're not compromising. If you want them to compromise, they are not compromising. So the games continue. Okay, so one card for what are they wanting from you now? What are they wanting from you? What are they wanting from you is Knight of Pentacles. They want reassurance that you still want them. Okay, they are very much wanting a reassurance. Okay, with Temperance card, they are wanting to balance the connection, but more than that, they want reassurance that you still want them. Okay, so this was for the sign of Libra. Let's take Scorpio now. Scorpio for the next couple of days. What are Scorpios going through? One card for the overall energy. What are Scorpios possibly going through? One card for them, please. So regarding Scorpios, you guys are very much focused on your finances. Some of you guys might decide of being in a stable, committed relationship rather than chasing someone or going through the ups and downs of relationship. You guys might choose a stable, long-term connection, easy connection, but at the same time long and stable connection. Okay, you guys are not going to wait on another connection. If you guys were waiting on that was very up and down, very much something you could not possibly figure out, like whether this is going to stay, whether this is going to just end, so you guys are like going to choose a easier connection. With Page of Wands, some of you guys might want to communicate with your person very soon. Okay, but with Ten of Pentacles, it could also be that right now you're very focused on your stability. That is your financial stability, family life, personal life. Regarding the overall energy for Scorpios, with Ace of Pentacles, I believe you both want a fresh new start. Okay, you and your person. At the same time, with Devil card, you both feel an attachment to someone. You feel an attachment to your person, whereas they feel an attachment to you. But you may be still wanting an easier connection, much stable, something you can trust. But at the same time, you haven't completely gone off the person that you still feel attached to. You still feel a strong connection to this person. You still feel a strong attachment to this person. Okay, and this is mutual on both sides. Okay. One card for the energy towards you now, Scorpio, soulmates energy towards Scorpio. Trust me, this person is missing you crazy. If there's been no communication, this person is definitely missing you. In the past, you guys could have fought with Five of Wands. Okay. Some of you, this might be a long distance relationship. One card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you. In terms of their intentions, we have Eight of Wands. So this person definitely wants to communicate with you. Okay, they definitely want communication either from you or they want to communicate, but they want this communication to move forward. Okay, one card for what action are they going to take towards you now? What action are they going to take towards you now? With Page of Pentacles and Three of Wands, I believe they'll wait for you for a while, but if you do not communicate, they will definitely communicate. Okay, I definitely see this person very much dying to hear from you. Okay, like literally waiting on communication from you. With Page of Pentacles, they are very much wanting to communicate, but I believe they'll wait. Like before that you can. Okay, they'll possibly wait on you. Okay. With High Priestess, as of now, this person would be ghosting you, like they are not really giving you any sort of idea as to what they're up to. Okay, one card for what you can possibly expect from this person. What can you possibly expect from this person? With Seven of Wands, I still see this person kind of they have walls up, guards up. This person, if this person messed shit up with you, okay, if things blew up in this connection, they are not ready to take responsibility. This person isn't willing to put in that effort. Okay, they might be ready for communication, but I do not see them ready for fixing this with you. They are still like waiting on you to fix this. Okay, if you expect them to put in the effort, I don't see that happening, darling, to be very honest. With Emperor in the reverse, this person will not do that. Okay, they feel you are responsible for it and you need to do it. Okay, one more card for what do they want with you now? What do they truly want with you? With right now with Five of Cups, I believe they miss you, but at the same time their pride is not letting them talk to you or not letting them take action towards you. Okay, you were their happiness with the Sun card in the past. Okay, but right now top card is Justice. Right now they are wanting to be right. Right now they are wanting to be like not wanting to bend. Okay, they want to possibly prove something to you. If something happened in the past, they want to prove that they are strong enough to not reach out to you. Okay, however, if you communicate, they will reply, trust me on that. But I don't feel they'll take action towards you, at least not for the next couple of days. Okay, so one card for their current feelings towards you. With Two of Swords, this person is not sure what they need to do with you. Okay, they're basically clueless, extremely indecisive, so could be an air sign. Okay, but as of now, in terms of feelings wise, I believe this person is still waiting on you. They haven't given up on you. Seven of Pentacles. Okay, with Nine of Cups, in the past I still feel you were their happiness, but right now they do not know what to think about this connection. With Two of Cups, I believe they are still waiting on you to reach out and possibly fix this with them. So for now, where this connection is moving forward, for now. But for some of you, I do feel like you Scorpios, if this connection was toxic or this connection was very difficult, I believe you're going to want to take a leap of faith elsewhere. I don't feel you're going to possibly jump in back in the well. Okay, I believe you're going to choose a much easier connection because this has made you go through a lot. Okay, and I still see it being unresolved. Okay, for some of you, thanks to pride issues on both sides. Okay, so moving next to Sagittarius. Moving next to Sagittarius. 29. Sagittarius, what's the overall energy like for the two of you? Sagittarius, what's the overall energy like? Okay, for Sagittarius with Seven of Wands, you both are wanting to prove your point. Okay, if you feel they are wrong, you're wanting to have your walls up. If they feel you're wrong, they're having their walls up. So for some of you in the past, you did get some bits of attention, but right now no one is putting in any sort of effort. So it is stagnant. Okay, in terms of their energy towards you, in terms of their energy, this person does want to make a move. Okay, a Knight of Wands is a very flirtatious card, so you guys, you guys can expect some bits of like communication. This person will definitely make some sort of move towards you for the next couple of days. With Seven of Pentacles, I believe they were possibly reflecting over the whole situation, like whether it's even worth like making the effort, like wanting to take action, or whether they should not, like whether they should wait on you. So they were possibly reflecting over the whole situation, but right now I see them wanting to make a move towards you. Okay, in terms of their feelings towards you, with Four of Pentacles, this person isn't willing to let you go. No matter where this connection is going, I don't see them possibly like letting you go. They are very much heartbroken. Even if there's been a breakup, this person hasn't given up on you. Okay, with Two of Wands, this person is definitely at crossroads and they are waiting on you to make some sort of move towards them. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. In terms of intentions, I see this person, I believe that if like even if you do not take action towards them, Sagittarius, this person will make a move towards you. Just give them a couple of days. Okay, their anxiety is going to get the better of them and they're going to possibly make a move towards you, but right now I see them possibly waiting on you. Okay, bottom card we have here is Ten of Pentacles. This person actually wanted to get married with you, but I do not know what should happen. Okay, with Nine of Cups, this connection did mean a lot to them, but I believe the fights, the problems, the dramas that got involved fucked it up. Okay, one card for what can you expect from them now? What can you possibly expect from them now? In terms of what you can expect, with King of Cups, this person still loves you and they are not going to let you go. Okay, if they were holding back communication is definitely coming in. So for now, where is this connection possibly moving forward? For now, where is this connection possibly moving forward? With Seven of Cups, there's definitely a lot of confusion in this connection. There's going to be delays as well, but it is going nowhere. Okay, I do not feel like this is ending. If you feel this is over and done with, no, it's not. Okay, I still feel this is going to have another shot. Okay, a second innings, or God knows which innings, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so where is this connection possibly moving forward? Yeah, with Queen of Wands and Nine of Wands, even if you guys have gone through a lot of ups and downs, this is not a new connection. But if like even after going through so many ups and downs, this person isn't willing to give up. Neither you have given up, neither they are giving up. So I believe even through the ups and downs, you guys still choose each other. Okay, so this is what I have for you guys, Sagittarius. So moving on. Let's take Capricorn. Moving on, let's take Capricorn. What a Capricorn going through? Okay. With Three of Cups, I believe even if you guys are not together, you guys are trying to possibly have a good time. Okay, this is your birthday month, so I believe you're still in a good energy overall. Okay, in terms of your relationship, you are not so sure as to what to expect from this person. One card for their energy towards you now. With Hierophant card, for some of you, I believe there is a commitment coming in very soon. Okay, regarding your soulmate, their energy towards you. Regarding your soulmate, what's the energy towards you, the one you consider soulmate? I believe if this person ghosted you, this person is going to make some sort of move towards you. So if you guys were waiting whether this person will wish you for your birthday, they will. Okay, with Judgment card, they definitely want a second chance with you. One more card. In terms of their feelings, how do they truly feel for you? With Eight of Pentacles, however, this person is not willing to put in a lot of effort. Okay, this person is kind of, someone who wants this, but at the same time someone who's not willing to put in that effort. Okay, in the past they could have made some sort of move, but that wasn't much. It was a tiny small offer and you did not take that shit seriously, but I still feel like they want this. Okay, even if they are not willing to put in that effort, they still want this connection. They do not want to lose you. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you. In terms of intentions, I believe if this person ghosted you, this person is wanting to restart communication, but they'll rather wait on you to see what you are up to. Okay, for some of you, you're going to be dealing with a Virgo, Pisces, Taurus. I also see Libra for some of you. Also Scorpio for some of you. Okay, in terms of action, what action are they going to take towards you now? In terms of action, I believe this person is wanting restart with you, like wanting this connection to restart. Okay, what can you expect in terms of action? What can you expect in terms of action? I still feel this person isn't willing to put in effort, darling. That's the problem. Okay, they still feel stuck. Why is the Eight of Swords here? What's the main blockage? Why is the Eight of Swords here? I mean, this is like majorly in the mind. Okay, for some of you, this person thinks a lot. Basically, an overthinker. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. With Nine of Cups, this person has been very selfish and all about themselves. Okay, for selected few of you, this is a long distance relationship and they cannot do much about it. Okay, with Devil card, for some of you, selected few of you, there could also be a third party interference where someone is already committed. Okay, so where this connection is possibly moving forward for now? Where is this connection possibly moving forward for now? With Magician here, I believe this connection has a potential to start. However, this person will not put in that sort of effort, so there is going to be delays in getting back together. Okay, so I feel this connection has the potential of moving forward. However, due to their lack of effort, it's going to take you a couple of weeks like before you guys make a move again. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the sign of Capricorn. Moving forward, we have Aquarius. So what can Aquarius possibly be expecting in their journey? What's the overall energy going to be like for Aquarius for the next couple of days? For Aquarius, we have High Priestess. You could be both ghosting each other. There's no communication happening. With Emperor in the reverse, you cannot trust this person because this person never takes responsibility. This person is extremely childish and someone who is not willing to take charge. Okay, someone who could also behave like a player. Okay, in terms of their energy towards you, I believe with Page of Cups, this person does want to make a move. They do want to make a move. However, let's see if they are going to make a move or not. One card for how they're thinking about you now. With Star card, they want to fix the connection with you. They want to heal the connection with you. They want this connection to move forward. They still want you and themselves to have that hope and faith that this connection has the potential to move forward. This is very much an Aquarius card. Okay, so one card for their intentions towards you now. In terms of intention, they want to take charge. They want to make a move. I mean, it is more sexual, however, but yes, they want to make a move towards you. Okay, In terms of action, what action are they willing to take towards you now? In terms of action, what action this person really willing to take towards Aquarius now? With strength in the reverse, okay, if this person was resisting, like making a move towards you, then this person will very much keep themselves open to you, or possibly available to you again. Okay, with Justice card, communication is definitely going to come in. Okay, they want to fix it, they want to bring in balance into the connection. Okay, what can you guys possibly expect for the next couple of days? What can you guys possibly expect? With Queen of Cups, yes, you guys will definitely open up. Okay, this person might start behaving very sweet and nurturing towards you. Okay, in terms of their feelings, however, in terms of their feelings, if this person in the past gave up on you with Four of Cups, now in the reverse, and